I did a thing. Here we go. Well, hi guys, Chuck House Mopar. Welcome back. It snowed here, as you probably discovered from that initial thing I gave you. You're gonna notice some discontinuity here. It was cold. The first few clips I did on this video were there was no sound, so you see me dressed this way, you're gonna see me dressed another way because I did this inspection yesterday. Yeah, I did a thing. I bought a piece of ground. I'll tell you how it came about. This summer, I was wanting to go for a ride in Louise, anywhere, preferably at least an hour away, and couldn't get anybody to go. Went to Drew's house and trying to coerce him and his wife to drive with me somewhere. Well, let's say they were a little cool to the idea. Maybe, maybe not. You got to finish mowing, whatever. But in the meantime, Drew's wife's telling me that that ground next to them was for sale. I'm like, really? Interesting, because it's 5 acres anyway, it seemed like, and there was a building on it too. I'm walking around as I do things. So anyway, yeah, the old fella passed away, Mr. Ray. Mr. Ray was a minister and built a church, which is still thriving, and he decided that with a big family, you can't make a lot of money as a minister, so he started making and selling log cabins, and he did it out of that property right there. So anyway, he's gone, so I got in touch. He's gone now, so I got in touch with a family, Mr. Doug, one of the sons, and they've been really nice. The thing was, it was just full of stuff, equipment, lots of it, and lumber too. So anyway, yeah, I really only looked at the place 2 or 3 times. It was pretty much a no-brainer. It's a 30 by 100 foot building with the extensions that you're going to see, and also it has concrete floor and about 100 amp electrical service. Can't go wrong there. Anyway, so yeah, yesterday, like I maybe said, I've only actually walked around 3 times. At Drew Nationals, I actually looked around more then. Yeah, so yesterday I wanted to take a ride up there and take a look at the place. So what you're going to see next is just basically me pulling the driveway and looking at this place. I don't know what I'm going to do. It's a huge chunk to bite off, especially when it's 20 minutes away. You know, it's not right out back. I can fiddle. But anyway, yeah, there we go. All right, there's the building. Basically all the properties on the other side. Yeah, there it is. Let's get up here and take a look. You guys remember when we did the Drew Nationals? I was here for that, and I was actually over here taking a look at this place then. Anyway, yeah, here it is. Property is over there, ponds there. I'm not a big fan of ponds, honestly, but they told me it's stocked. So I could see myself with some grandkids fishing. Wouldn't be the worst thing. I'll tell you guys, I don't know a whole lot about this place because I just bought it kinda. Been out, this is about my 4th time to be here. So he's got a 30 by 100 foot building, near as I can tell. He's got this lean-to, it's attached. He's got that lean-to, and it's unattached. It's not attached to the building. As you can see back there, it's just freestanding. Sliding door there, sliding door there, sliding door on the north side, and we got a little John Deere tractor with a blown up engine. All right, lights. So like I said, Mr. Ray was got a lot of stuff in here still. Mr. Ray was a log cabin builder. All of this place was just full of stuff, okay? It was ridiculous, the amount of stuff they had. I mean, it was a man's business. Sliding door there, like I said. Don't know what we got up here. So Ray had gotten himself an area inside so he could stay warm for most of the time. I do not know what all's going on. Let's take a look in here. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. Yeah, they have not finished cleaning it out by a long shot. Anyway, so this little room here, there's a heater, electric heater looks like. Yeah. Stuff. Oh gosh, he's got two of these. Stuff and stuff. Guys, I have no idea. Guys, I got no idea my plans for this place, honestly. Oh, looks like he's got a storage room back here with plenty more stuff. Light switch somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool, but I'll tell you what. I bought the place. I'm buying the place. And do I need it? No. Is it a dream? Sure. Yeah. You have to, you know, it's like the pickers say, you know, you got to buy it when you see it. So that's what I did. Look at that old grinder for sharpening. That's insane. Yeah, it'd be a big job. I just noticed that there is a sliding door there. Of course, here. One on the other end. This is staying. Pallet racking staying. That's staying. Evidently, this is staying too. Anyway, let me grab the key. We'll go on the other side and see what's what. Oh my gosh. I thought they were about done cleaning. Nope. Wow. Yeah. Hell, this would make a big shop right in here. Yeah. Big job. Big job. Okay, back on the other end here. Golly. They still got plenty of stuff. Got a little area here. Of course, that room is next door. A lot going on still. Thought they were done. Have to get done. Yeah. So I've gone ahead and bought this place. And yeah, the plan is to make it into my shop. Eventually. My fortress of solitude, if you will. Over here, it's got its little bit of damage. Somebody clearly hit it with a lawnmower. There's little holes, various holes shining through. Nothing that can't get fixed. I actually bought that zero turn, and they had a compressor. They had a fire sale going on around here, so I bought that too. I saw there was a rowboat in there. That was also for sale. I could have had it, but yeah, not mine now. So anyway, let's go look at this electrical service. Well, there's 30. What is that? 150 amps? Do they make a 150 amp panel? I don't know. So that's there. Power's here. Yeah. So that's that. I'm going to go ahead and look around a little more and see what's what. And talk to you guys in a minute here. There is some extra tin left over to repair stuff like that. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Nobody said there wasn't going to be issues. There's the door. Yeah. You can see this one. The roof's not attached. Yeah, boys, I don't know. It's going to be the world's most expensive storage unit for a while. Everything's built hell for stout, I will say that. Yeah, I don't know. I have no idea how this is going to go. I keep telling the boys, they're like, well, what's what? I'm like, I don't know what's what. Am I going to... what I've said is, I hope if I could have this thing framed up inside of here and wire run by this time next year. Dropped off on me. By this time next year, that would be a win. Fact is, I don't know. Do you keep the warm area? What do you do? Don't know. Don't know. I'm going to be soliciting opinions, that's for sure. Concrete's in pretty good shape. It's cracked. What are you going to do, right? All right. View from up above. Been critters living up here. Stuff, log cabin stuff. Need to be careful. Nobody knows I'm out here, where the hell I am. Well, they find me eventually. Yeah, they find me. What are you gonna do? I bought a trailer too. It's only 800 bucks. I figured, what the heck. Here it is. 800 bucks, are you kidding? I think it's about a 18 footer. It's not ideal for cars. It's equipment, you know. Ray had equipment he had to drag around. Yeah, certainly needs tires. Let's see here. Big axles. 5,000 each anyway. Yeah. So that's that. Want to see the pond? Sure. Yeah. It's kind of cool. Dock needs some work. She froze. Somebody got to mow all that. Yeah, like I said, I'm not a big pond fan because of the mowing. And here's another view. It's a burning pile right here. Well, there it is. I'm apprehensive. Excited? Yeah, for sure. A lot of work. I'm not as ambitious as I used to be, guys, doing a job like this. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, like I said, there it is. Property kind of runs basically where the telephone poles are. You might imagine down through there, next and around. And yeah, what am I gonna do? Have an expensive storage unit? That's for sure. Maybe build a house someday. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Let's get back home. We'll talk about it there. Back home, back in the garage. What would y'all think? It's quite a project, no? Yeah, it's a lot going on there. But like I said, like the pickers say, American pickers, you got to buy it when you see it, I guess. And I was able to, you know, save my pennies. And yeah, like I said, it's not a done deal yet. About 2 weeks, we're going to sign the papers. So they got a key up there, so I could just go on up there and drop in, take a look, take a good look. Because like I said, I have not really looked at that place that closely, other than knowing that it's a solid structure. And yeah, buy it. About 6.5 acres, I guess. So yeah, that's the plan. Can't get to it now. Can't store anything yet because, well, you know, snow. I'm supposed to lose most of this here soon, but anyway, yeah, so that's the plan. Don't know what I'm going to do inside. Take out that box in the middle. Certainly frame the outside. All the sliding doors, you know, they'd probably go in favor of a garage door down the road. But then all the siding's got to get changed on the outside. I mean, it's no small project, that's for dang sure. But it's there. It's got electric. the new house in Mopar down the road, I suppose. I don't know when. You know, it's just like I'd eat elephant, you know, one bite at a time. So that's what I'll be doing. Anyway, that's that. Let me know what you think. It's awful cool. Anyway, thanks for coming along, you guys. Let's catch you on the next one. See ya.